Holly and Graham, father-daughter duo. How is that gonna play out?
I'm not gonna let her down.
Yeah, and I won't let her down.
Scott, we got a winner!
No way!
House 4, number 1.
I think we should just do something simple but really, really well.
I want something to feel really comforting and familiar and nostalgic.
I think it's a great idea. I think we can get it done, and I think I can build it.
The benefit of working with families, I can just push them a little bit further.
And who does the stones? I did the
Guy.
stones. I was afraid you were going to say that. The judges have said, I don't know what it is, but there's a feeling in here. For Holly to feel that love that she has inside and be able to put that into the house. As a father, I couldn't be more proud.
Amazing. Oh, I gotta try that again. Woo!
For me, this is where I want to sit down, kick my feet up, and I want to go on vacation.
They made a space feel as big as it could possibly feel.
Oh my goodness. It's just targeted your eyes straight to the river. This is beautiful.
Guests who rent this home in the future will feel at home even when they're away.
And the winner of this week's Renovation Resort Challenge are Holly and Graham.
Holly and Graham!
And taking home the title of Renovation Resort Champion, Holly and Graham.
Her design just won this renovation
No,
resort.
our design and build together won.
Let's go. Let's go.